Hi guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Yesterday we hit another milestone, or should I say the channel reached another milestone, hitting 60,000 subscribers. If you follow my channel for any time, you know that whenever we hit another 10,000 subscribers, I do a giveaway and also a thank you. The biggest thank you has to go to you guys because you keep watching, commenting, and being a subscriber. Another thank you has to go to Portal Satova and their members because they lend me numerous watches over the years and they're a huge well of knowledge. Also, Silvertime Watch Store, again, lending me watches whenever I want and whatever I want. And finally, G Central for featuring my videos and also being an incredible well of knowledge when it comes to G-Shocks and Casio watches in general. Now, special thank you goes to Patreon, my Patreons who support the channel financially, people who donate via my PayPal, and all of you guys who run these videos without ad blockers, watching the ads, because that is how we get revenue. I mean, how we get money, us YouTubers. So a special thank you goes to all of you guys who help the channel like that, and also using the Amazon affiliate link because I have it in the description. And no matter what you buy, I usually put a watch that I review, but as long as you use that link to get to Amazon, no matter what else you buy, the channel gets a little commission. Now, all these together are small amounts, but they do add up and help me keep the channel going. So a huge thank you to all of you. Now, because of this and because of all of the great efforts that you guys put out so that I can keep the channel going, I always like to thank you in a way whenever I reach, like I said, 10,000 subscribers. So this is not going to be an exception. This time I'll be giving away a G-Shock, another G-Shock, a DW-5600 BB, which is the basic black version. In my opinion, one of the stealthiest and most stylish square G-Shocks you can get. As usual, the giveaway is going to be international, meaning that I'll be sending the watch anywhere in the world at my own expense. And any possible expense that you might have are import duties and taxes, because sadly I cannot influence that. I will mark the watch a gift because it is my gift to you, so hopefully it will get under the radar of the customs control. But if you end up paying, it's gonna be a small portion of what this watch is worth. So to win this watch and to participate in the giveaway, you have to watch this video, you have to be a subscriber, so if you're not already, please do subscribe. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified of all the videos that I upload, because these giveaways are pretty often, especially now when the channel really got to going. And also comment in this video. All comments published by next Friday or Saturday, I'll see, are gonna enter the draw. And the draw is gonna be done digitally, just like usual, because I can no longer do my old method where I mix all your names. Now the winner is gonna be published on Sunday. So next Sunday, a week from now, is gonna be the giveaway draw video where we're gonna find out who the winner of this beautiful watch is. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching, thank you for supporting, and see you next week. So do stay tuned so we can find out who the lucky winner is. In the meantime, my other videos are gonna be uploaded regularly. So I do Sundays and Wednesday videos, and sometimes I even do Friday videos. Anyways, that's it. So thank you once more, and see you in the next one.